Hey guys, welcome back to another Scratch tutorial. I'm Connor, and I'm here with Sprite Movement. As you see, I've got my sprite, Mr Spritley here, and as before I told you about the buttons, when I press start, it will actually send a script, so when it's clicked, so when the actual script is started, when it was clicked, it will hide and the script will stop, so it doesn't show, it doesn't do any animation on the screen. But when it receives menu, it will hide and stop script again, so that returns it to the back to the main menu. When I receive the start button, which is when it starts, the sprite will show, Mr. Spritley will show, it will forever, so here's the script here, forever, if, for my four motions of my Scratch game, so if it goes left, if it goes right, if it goes up, and if it goes down. I haven't got jump, because mine's a ladder-based game, kind of like your general snakes and ladders kind of thing. So here I have if, forever, if, key up arrow pressed, switch between the different costumes with an interval of seconds. Now, if the seconds aren't there, it will do a spasm thing, which make it look like whatever the costume is speeding through all the things. So if I press the buttons, as you see, the sprite will go through, and it actually looks like it is running the different directions, climbing the ladder, climbing back down the ladder, which I think is pretty funky. Now, so you just do that for all the things, changing it with the different costume for each one. Of course, down arrow, up arrow, left arrow, right arrow, and that's basically it for that one. Now, if you want to add it, so if sensing that it is operators, you go not sensing key up arrow, you just basically put up arrow, left arrow, and you can add this. So that's a plus symbol. You can add that into here. Oh wait, that's the wrong one, sorry. Not that or that. And you need quite a fair bit of these. Of course, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So go back to here. If not key up arrow pressed, not key space pressed, or whatever keys you need. So if key up arrow, down arrow. Of course, you can just change it by pressing the drop arrow. Key here, and this will be the left arrow, and the right arrow, of course. Now, if I scroll that, it says if not touching any key press of any of these, you can go looks here, switch to costume, and you have a stagnant costume like I do here, Untitled 1. I can set it to Untitled 1, so it will just stand completely stock still. There we go. When I'm not pressing the button, if I let go, he will go stock still and just stand and face you. One side, stock still. Up, stock still. Down, standing still. Now this is the hardest the code will get for the animation of the sprite. Of course, if you add gravity in, it would get much harder, but right now I do not actually need the gravity in mine because mine doesn't have any gravity in its game. Once again, thank you all for listening. Please comment and subscribe if you can. Bye.